What does liberal mean? The word liberal has more than one meaning, depending on how it's used. Most commonly, it refers to someone who is open-minded, tolerant, and willing to accept different opinions or ideas. A liberal person is usually seen as someone who supports freedom, equality, and progress. It can also describe a generous or large amount of something. For example, a liberal amount of butter means a large quantity. Definition of liberal. Liberal is an adjective that means open to new ideas and willing to change traditional views. Generous or abundant. In politics, someone who supports individual rights, democracy, and social progress. Liberal synonyms. Here are some simple and related words you can use instead of liberal. Open-minded. Generous. Progressive. Tolerant. Broad-minded. Free-thinking. Using liberal in sentences. She has a liberal attitude towards education and believes in creative learning. They applied a liberal amount of sauce on the pizza. He is known for his liberal political views. When to use the word liberal. Use liberal when talking about someone who is kind, generous, or open to different opinions. It's also used in politics, especially when discussing policies that promote freedom and equality.